Yeah. So if you are 15 years and above, all right, and you have a laptop, you can go for web development, you can go for Python, you can also go for, we have two courses on Python. The first one is Python for 100 days. Here you will learn, in this one you will learn Python and game development. But this other one that says Python, game and web development, AI and machine learning, you will be learning Python, you will learn how to create games using Python, you learn web development, you also learn AI and machine learning. The Python game and web, this one now is like 51 weeks, while this one is just 20 weeks. Okay, the web development is also around 20 weeks. Okay, now how do you get started? So in case you want to try, let me show you the course outline for this Python and game web development. So if I click on it, it brings me here. All right, this is the course page. All right, and if I click on go to class, it will open this drawer, and you can see the first, this is introduction to Python. The week 1, week 2, we are talking about variables, conditions, functions, lists and tuples, classes, modules, error handling, all of them. So from week 10, we start talking about developing games, installing Pygame, developing games. Then down to week 17, we start teaching HTML and CSS, JavaScript. Okay, down to week 33, we start teaching AI. All right, and then AI down to 51 week, we are teaching AI and machine learning. So in this course, you're going to get Python, game development with Python. You learn fundamentals of Python. You will learn game development with Python. You will learn web development. You also learn AI and machine learning. Okay, so let me show you how simple it is to start any class. So if I click on this week 1, if I click on this week 1 title now, it will take me to the week 1 page. All right, and you can see that this contains 5 sessions. It is 199 minutes long. It has 1 project, and you can see that we have 12 students that have completed this chapter. Okay, so if I click on go to class, this drawer would open. So if I want to access the classes of week 1, I'll click on this small arrow button. All right, this would open. This is day 1, day 2. So we take our time to break it down. All right, so if I click on day 1 now, it will open it for me. Then I will come here, read the description, then watch the video. I click on the video is playing, it's 20 minutes long. All right, after watching the video, 9 students have completed this particular class. After watching this video, I will come here and click on quick test. What does it mean for you to complete a class? You have to pass this test. Every class has a test. So if you don't pass the test, you cannot go to the next class. So you have to pass this test. Every class has a test. And why do we give this test? We want to make sure that you understand what was taught. And if for any reason you have questions, you don't understand, you can reach out to us. Of course, all of our paid students are in a WhatsApp group. Their parents are also in the WhatsApp group. So you reach out to us, we attend to you. Okay, so if we are to view the comments of this, Shekina said this section is great. Okay, this section is great. The other person said this session was fun. So you can also, after finish, you can also drop your own comment. Okay, so this is how it works. You take your quick test. If you score 7 over 10, that's pass mark. If you don't score up to 7, you failed. So you have to retake the class, rewatch the video, or contact us. We can schedule a one-on-one class with you. All right, we can schedule a one-on-one class with you. So if I click on go to next class now, because I have not completed the previous class, it will deny me access to the day 2. You have to pass the previous class. All right, see, I cannot have access to the day 2 because I have not passed the test for the previous class. So I have to click on go back to previous session, and then I come here and watch this video. This is self-paced. You take these classes at your own pace. If you want to finish the whole 5 days in 1 day, that is up to you. If you want to finish the whole 5 days in 5 weeks, that is up to you. Okay, you run at your own pace. This is not like a public class where everybody is coming to make noise. No. If you need our attention, if you need a one-on-one class, we attend to you. Okay. Now, if I go back, this This course is valued as 300,000 naira. You can also do monthly subscription. You can subscribe for 1 month for 10,000 naira. That means when you subscribe for 1 month for 10,000 naira, you have full access to the course. If you finish the whole course in that 1 month, good luck. Thank God for you. But if you don't finish it, after that 30 days, it will lock the classes again. Then you have to subscribe again. So you subscribe every month 10,000, every month 10,000, or you can just pay outright 300,000 naira. You can also pay in installments. So this is one of it. So if I go back to we also have 100 days Python and game development. That one it's not 300,000. That one is just 100,000 naira. Okay. So if I come down here, I will select it. If I select it, here you will learn Python and then game development. So if I click on this, it will open it. See, it is for 100 days. All right, it is for 100 days. Every day has 5 days. Every day has 5 days. So you will learn Python programming language. You also learn game development with Python. There is also AI to it, AI and a bit of web development. So this is like a mini version. This one is like a mini version of the other one I showed you. It is just 100,000 naira. You can also do monthly subscription. If you subscribe for 10,000 naira, you have full access for the class. So if you want to start the free class, the first 5 days is always for free of charge. If you are interested, you want to test run it, you want to see what we teach, you want to see how we teach, it's free of charge. The first 5 days is free of charge. You just let me know and I will give you the details on how to get started with the free class. After the 5 days free class, if you don't like it, you're not paying anything. Just discontinue with us. But if you like it, you can now go ahead to make payment, whether monthly subscription, whether you want to do instrumental payment or you want to pay once. Okay. Thank you very much, and we hope you make that decision to at least take a step to go through our free classes. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next class.